Hi guys, this is Jessica and you are on the stars.
Today I am going to describe the biography of Elizabeth Gillies. Who is Elizabeth Gillies? Elizabeth Gillies is an American actress and singer who shot to fame after playing Sade West, a sarcastic and gothic mean girl on the Nickelodeon television sitcom Victorious from 2010 until 2013. She made her Broadway debut at the age of 15, playing the role of Lucy in the musical 13 alongside singer and actress Ariana Grande. She had a voice role in the animated TV series Winx Club and landed the main role of Kiki in the FX comedy TV series Sex and Drugs and Rock and Roll. She has been a part of the television show Dynasty since 2017. Her film credits include Animal, Vacation, and Arizona. Let's know about her personal life. Elizabeth Gillies was born on the 26th of July 1993 in Howth, New Jersey, United States of America. She is currently 26 years old. Birth name Elizabeth Egan Gillies. Nickname Liz. Profession actress, singer, songwriter. Years active from 2005 till now. Date of birth July 26, 1993. Age 26 years old. Place of birth Howth, New Jersey, US. Nationality American. Sun sign Leo. Ethnicity Irish, Scottish, English and Italian. Let's know about her family and education. She is the daughter of Greg and Pam and she has a younger brother named George. Gillies attended Northern Valley Regional High School in Old Tappan for her primary education, but she dropped out as she was not able to balance both acting and attending regular school. Gillies, however, got enrolled in online education for the rest of her education. Relationship. Unlike her acting career, Gillies has not been successful in a relationship, at least recently. She is currently not dating anyone. However, in the past, she shared a romantic relationship with actor Logan Miller in 2011. Let's know about her physical statistics. Height 5 feet 7 inch, 170 centimeter, 1.7 meter. Weight 60 kg, 132 pounds. Body build slim. Body measurement 36, 27, 35. Eye color bluish green. Hair color dyed black. Sexuality straight. Show size 9 US. Race size 4 US. Distinctive features: blue-green eyes, porcelain skin. Let's know about her professional statistics. Film debut. Elizabeth Gillies won her first acting gig in the 2008 comedy film Harold as Evelyn Taylor. Television debut. She made her television debut in the NBC TV series The Black Donnells in 2007, playing the character of young Jenny in 3 episodes of the series. Singing career. Gillies released her debut soundtrack album Sex and Drugs and Rock and Roll on September 10, 2015. She released her first track as the main artist You Don't Know Me in 2012. Significant works. Elizabeth Gillies got her first major breakthrough when she was cast as Sade West, Bad Girl and Mean Girl in the Nickelodeon television series Victorious. It's centered around teenagers at a performing arts high school in Hollywood. She starred alongside Ariana Grande, Victoria Justice, and Matt Bennett. In addition to being a cast in the series, she also exhibited her singing prowess, featuring on the soundtracks Victorious, Victorious 2.0, and Victorious 2.0, including Give It Up, Take a Hint, and You Don't Know Me. In 2015, Gillies starred as Gigi, an inspiring singer and daughter of a former rock star named Johnny Rock, in the comedy series Sex and Drugs and Rock and Roll. The show was cancelled after it ran for 2 seasons on FX. She began starring as Fallon Carrington in the CW television series Dynasty, a reboot of the 1980s series of the same name from 2017. Brand endorsements. Elizabeth has appeared in the commercial for Virgin Mobile and went on to appear in a number of commercials. Let's know about her net worth. Elizabeth Gillies has a net worth of $3 million. Her impressive net worth is quite evident to prove that she has been successful in the career that she took. According to the media, she earns $500,000 upward annually as salaries from acting and other activities. Seeing her career graph over the course of the year, there is no doubt she will be raking in more millions in the years to come. Social media profiles. The stunning actress is quite a familiar face on social media, where she earned over 6.3 million followers on Instagram. She is equally popular on Twitter and Facebook as well, on which she has over 3 million and 6 million followers respectively. Let's know about her facts. She She took acting seriously at a young age. She attended local casting calls at the age of 12 and appeared in commercials before landing roles in television. She made her Broadway debut at the age of 15 and appeared in the musical adaptation of Jawbreaker as Courtney in 2013. Gillis can speak English and Spanish fluently. She is a vegan not because she dislikes non-vegetarian food, but she is allergic to most foods. She also has a gluten allergy. She knows how to play the piano or keyboard. Gillis is scared of webs and fireworks. In 2018, she had a cameo in Ariana Grande's music video, Thank You Next.
So guys, many thanks for being with us. Do comments and let us know if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get my next video. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.